I've got a video camera as well.
Oh, yeah,
I'm gonna put this video on the internet and go, right, where's this fucking vacuum leak with this noise? Can you hear it? It's like hissing. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Still set. Fucking joking.